Hello, educators. Welcome to a special segment dedicated to our serving officers and teachers in the Ghana Education Service. If you've been eyeing that next step in your career, this is for you. We're delving into the promotion opportunities and application process. Let's get started. Great news! The GES has opened the doors for qualified officers and teachers to step up in their careers. Promotion opportunities include Deputy Director, Assistant Director I, Assistant Director II, and Principal Superintendent. If you're ready for a new challenge, this might be your moment. 1. Promotion opportunities. E. Deputy Director. F. Assistant Director I. G. Assistant Director II. H. Principal Superintendent. Now, let's talk about the qualifications required for each grade. Whether you're eyeing the role of Deputy Director or Principal Superintendent, the criteria include having been promoted to the specified grade on or before 2019 and being continuously at post since then, except for approved leave of absence. 1. Qualification criteria for each grade. For our esteemed officers and teachers with master's degrees or PhDs, there's a special consideration. Your master's PhD program should align with the approved GES course of study. Importantly, the certificate should not have been obtained before your previous promotion. If you're eyeing ADI, or Deputy Director positions, ensure your master's PhD certificate was earned on or before 2021. 1. Considerations for master's degree and PhD holders. Ready to take the plunge? Here's how you apply. Log on to www.jespromotions.gov.gh from Monday the 26th of February 2024. Complete the application form, upload a clear passport-sized photograph, and don't forget to upload only your last promotion, upgrading, or appointment letter. If you hold a master's or PhD, upload those certificates too. 1. Mode of application. Time is ticking. The deadline for online applications is the 31st of March 2024. Ensure you meet the deadline for this fantastic career opportunity. And here's a reminder. All documents uploaded should be in PDF format, except for the passport-sized photograph. Make them clear and readable. 1. Application deadline, the 31st of March 2024. That wraps up our detailed look into the promotion opportunities and application process for our dedicated officers and teachers. If you're eligible, seize this chance to propel your career forward. This is J. Huxtello ITech, signing off. Best of luck to all applicants, and may your career journey be filled with success.